So I got the stairs done, lined out. I'm letting them dry. Been at the headquarters today, chilling, trying to kill a few birds with one stone. It ain't been bad today though. I've been busy getting stuff done, but it's been a little windy out here today. But it turned out pretty good. This is going to be a 4-step design, 2 at the top, and then 3 single ones. So that's what I'm working on today. Been out here all day, pretty much messing around trying to get it. I had a few different things I had to do, so I was trying to save my last steps for last before I sum it up and be ready to deliver tomorrow. So that's my goal, man. Let this dry out and drop it off tomorrow. Hold on.